Hello students, today we will discuss questions of reasoning. We will do question based on the type, the angle between hour hand and minute hand at a particular time. Let's take first question, that is find the angle between hour hand and minute hand at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock the clock will be seemed as here longer hand is at 12 and shorter hand is at 10. Longer hand is called minute hand and shorter hand is called hour hand. We will solve these questions by trick and by concept. The trick is we use the formula 30 degree into time in hour to find this angle. Here time in hour is 10, so angle is 30 multiplied by 10, it is 300. So the angle between hour hand and minute hand is 300 degree. To solve this type of question by concept, we need to take a reference line. Here in the picture, the green line is taken as a reference, which is the line joining the number 12 with the middle of the clock. We find all the angles to this reference line. Here minute hand coincide with reference line, so angle made by minute hand is 0 degree. Now we will find the angle made by hour hand with respect to this reference line. We know hour hand completes one round in 12 hours. One round means angle of 360 degree. So angle made by hour hand in 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. Then angle made by hour hand in 1 hour is equal to 360 degree divided by 12 comes out to be 30 degree. So angle made by hour hand in 10 hours is equal to 30 degree into 10, it is equal to 300 degree. To generalize the formula, we denote time in hour by capital H, then formula for angle between hour hand and minute hand becomes 30 degree multiplied by H. Let us take one more question of another type. The question is find the angle between hour hand and minute hand at 10:20 p.m. Here in clock the hour hand is not exactly at 10 but somewhere in between 10 and 11, and minute hand is not at 12 but it is at 4. The clock seems to be same whether it is 10:20 p.m. or 10:20 a.m. This type of questions are different from earlier ones in the way here time is not completely in hour but some extra minutes are there. The trick for such type of questions is angle between hour hand and minute hand. We use formula 30 degree multiplied by time in hour minus 11 by 2 multiplied by time in minutes. Here time in hour denoted by capital H is equal to 10 and time in minute, that is denoted by capital M, is equal to 20. So the angle between hour hand and minute hand is 30 degree multiplied by 10 minus 11 by 2 multiplied by 20. It is equal to 300 minus 110 equal to 190 degree. Let us try to know the concept behind this. We know minute hand completes one round in 60 minutes and one round means 360 degree angle. So angle made by minute hand in 60 minutes is 360 degree and angle made by minute hand in 1 minute is 360 degree divided by 60. It is equal to 6 degree or may be written as 12 degree divided by 2. Then angle made by minute hand in 20 minutes is 6 into 20, that is equal to 120 degree. For generalizing it, if we denote time in minute by capital M, then angle made by minute hand in m minute is 6 degree into m, or 12 degree divided by 2 into m. These all angles which we are finding all are with respect to the reference line. Let us now find the angle made by R hand. Here the thing to be noticed is the R hand is not exactly at 10, but some extra angle is there because of 20 extra minute. As we already found that angle made by R hand in 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. So angle made by R hand in 10 hour is 10 multiplied by 30, that is equal to 300 degree. Now we will calculate the extra angle made by R hand on account of 20 extra minutes. We know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and angle made by R hand in 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. It means angle made by R hand on account of 60 minutes is equal to 30 degree, and angle made by R hand on account of 1 minute is equal to 60 degree divided by 30, that is equal to 1 by 2 degree. Then angle made by R hand on account of 20 minutes is equal to 1 by 2 degree multiplied by 20, that is equal to 10 degree. It is added into the angle made by R hand as we calculated earlier. So angle made by R hand in total 10 hour 20 minutes is equal to 300 degree plus 10 is equal to 310 degree. So angle between R hand and minute hand is equal to angle made by R hand minus angle made by minute hand to the reference line. So angle between R hand and minute hand at 10:20 is equal to 310 minus 120 is equal to 190 degree. To generalize it for any time, let us denote the time in R is H and time in minute by M. Angle made by R hand in total HRM minutes is equal to 30 degree multiplied by H plus half degree into M. Angle made by minute hand in M minutes is 12 by 2 into M. So angle between R hand and minute hand can be calculated by subtracting the two angle as we have calculated here. So general formula for angle between R hand and minute hand is 30 degree into H minus 11 by 2 into M. Another type of question we will take in the next video. Thank you.